everyone, today let's learn how to fix missing Instagram notes. To get started, first of all, let's check some updates on your iPhone. First of all, open up the settings application and then you just simply go to general, scroll down and proceed to general. Then tap on software update. And if you have some updates here, you just tap on install and download. Then go to your app store. So basically open up app store, then tap on search at the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on the search bar and write Instagram. And if on Instagram app you'll be able to see updates, one moment. As you can see, if we tap on Instagram and you'll be able to see here it says open or update. If you see updates, this means you just need to update your Instagram app to the latest version. So basically it's a second solution, and third solution is completely delete your Instagram app and then again install it. So you just press and hold on the Instagram application icon, then tap on remove app, then go to App Store and find Instagram and install it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.